So this is the summary of our team's project milestone 2. It's the app zone database project. So we created 10 tables in total. The table app name has a one-to-many relation with other tables. We call the app ID, which is the primary key in app name, is both primary and foreign keys in other tables. For example, in the install table, the app ID works both primary and foreign keys, and it also has the install count that record the install count of our apps at the field. And the rest tables are the version table. They record the minimum version and the latest version of our apps. And the category table record the category of our apps. The price table is the price of the apps. And the review table has the rating, review count, and the content rating of our apps. The affordability table records the install count and the price of our apps. The latest update table records the latest update date of our apps. And the popularity table includes the rating, reviews, and the installs of our apps.
For create table statements, our schema is called appzone. Create schema if not exists appzone. We drop table if exists the 10 tables in case we want to create new tables to insert data. And here's the drop table statement. First, we create table app name with 2 columns, which are app ID and app name. The primary key is app ID. Then we create table category with 2 columns, which are app ID and app category. The primary key is app ID and the foreign key is app ID. The reference is app ID in app name table. And if we update and delete the app ID in app name table, the app ID in this table will change and delete too. And in the following tables, the app ID is primary key as well as foreign key, and the update and delete situation are quite similar in this table. Then we create table review with 4 columns, which are app ID, rating, review count, and content rating. And then we create table install with 2 columns, which are app ID and install count. And for the version table, we create 3 columns, which are app ID, minimal version, and latest version.
We also have the table for last update, which has attributes app ID and last update date. And the affordability table has attributes app ID, install count, and price. And the price table with app ID and the price, as well as the size table with the app ID and size. Lastly, we have the popularity table, which keep track of the app ID and ratings, reviews, and install count. To load our data in file, we dissected the giant CSV file from Kaggle into 10 CSV files for each table and load them on MySQL Workbench. Lastly, we got the results here. As we see, we have almost 2 million rows in total.